Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the perfect gift for this upcoming Mother's Day. The YOOLIFE Initial Beach Tote Bag. This isn't just any beach bag. It's a personalized, thoughtful gift that's sure to make any mom feel special. Imagine this. A sunny day at the beach, with a stylish and functional tote that not only carries all your essentials but also reflects your unique style. That's exactly what the YOOLIFE Initial Beach Tote Bag offers. Let's talk about why this bag stands out. It's crafted from high-quality cotton, making it durable yet lightweight. The classic embroidered initial adds a touch of personalization, making it a perfect gift for Mother's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion. With dimensions of 14.2 inches by 5.1 inches by 14.2 inches, it's spacious enough to hold everything you need for a day out. Whether it's towels, sunscreen, or snacks, there's plenty of room. Plus, it includes a handy cosmetic bag for those smaller items like sunscreen or lip balm. Functionality is key here. Inside, you'll find multiple pockets, including a zippered one for valuables like keys or your phone. The exterior pouch is perfect for items you need quick access to, ensuring everything has its place. In summary, the YOOLIFE Initial Beach Tote Bag combines style, functionality, and personalization into one thoughtful package. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for that perfect gift, this tote bag is a standout choice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and gift ideas. Until next time, happy shopping!